Hey and welcome back to Spirit Fashion! My name is Aniela and today we're gonna continue sewing useful gifts and we're gonna make notebook cover from fabric leftover. Like, subscribe, and let's begin the fun! Let's make basic notebook pattern. Start with a sheet of paper. The paper must be wider and longer than your book or notebook. Lay the paper flat, place the notebook in the center, open one cover and lay it flat. Fold the paper over the cover, close notebook, open the other cover, fold the paper again to create the second flap and adjust both sides, if needed of course. The cover should not be too tight, that's very important. And make sure the both flaps have the same width. If needed, correct them. Double check if notebook has enough room and adjust if necessary. Trust me, check a couple of times before you decide to cut your pattern. And it's time for final step, and it's seam allowances. My recommendations for seam allowances is 1 centimeters to 1.5 centimeters on bottom, top and sides. And of course, if you are using more thicker fabrics or quilted fabrics, we definitely need more ease, so I recommend 2 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters. When you finish adding seam allowances, it's time to cut your pattern. And this is your basic pattern. You can play with it and create different shapes, for example rounded corners, flaps, pockets, quilted or padded covers, decorative edges. As you see, you have one base pattern and endless designs. Cut through elements of your pattern with front, back and elastic. Pin elastic on the right side 2 or 3 centimeters from your flap of your cover book flap. Now with the right sides together, place your upper part of your notebook on the bottom part and pin with clips. Don't forget to leave at least 3 to 4 centimeters gap. And sew all the way around with straight stitch 1 centimeter from edge. And when you're sewing, don't forget to leave gap. To prevent bulking looking fabric, I recommend to trim these sharp corners of your pattern with scissors, but do it carefully to not cut your seams. And turn right side out through gap. And press flat with your iron. top stitch all the way around and close the gap. Okay, now it's time to measure the width of our flap for our notebook. And we're gonna adjust flap. So first flap fits perfectly. So now we're gonna sew another flap. So we're gonna use open cover and overlap with one edge of our notebook, our cover, and adjust it the width of our flap. When we are satisfied with the width of our flap, we're gonna pin it with clips or pins and sew a straight stitch at least half centimeter from edge. Ta-da! And your notebook cover is ready. This cover you can make not only for your notebooks but for bullet journals, books of course, Kindle and much more. What can I say more? You just learn making clothes not only for yourself but for your books too. Write me in the comment what do you think about it, what type of fabric you will use, and what type of book cover you will make. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one!